Bro, why are you so mad at me just because I didn't want to play a comp with you, you fucking fat, cheap-smelling little cunt? You were begging to play with Frogo just because she's got a sweet little voice. My fucking bad, I don't sound like an ooh-woo little bitch. I will literally shit in your Weetabix, mate, fucking pedophile. You want me to sound like a kid?
Oh my god, ew, is this better? I'll play comp with you, Pappy.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking pedophile little cunt. Coming into my fucking party, you think you're gonna talk to me like that? Fucking creepy little cunt.